notes, and clearly you clicked on the introductory video. I just want to briefly go through it. There's two websites here that you may want to go back and review if you need it. Like if you feel like you didn't get the proper background in Math 100 or Math 119, you can go to these websites. So for example, let's say you want to go back to the Math 119 website to review that material. You click on this link over here. It would open up a website. Don't worry about all the details over here. I do want to point out that one thing that you do want to pay attention to is the download. This will allow you to download the complete content as presented to my students in Math 119. So if you click on that, a document opens up. They're very familiar looking documents. And looking over the document, it's got a ton of material in it for you to look over. So for example, you might say, well, gee, I'm not good at this, I'm not good at that. You go back and review it. Like for example, let's say you felt you had a tough time with the translation problems. You go back to week 4, this is the translation problems over here, and you could go through that document. So I want to point out students that like to read, that's fine, you can read this material. There's also little videos for students that want to be spoken to. So if you click on the videos, what happens, a video will open up and it'll go through the, like a lecture material, me talking through the material for you. But your mileage may vary. You can also blow these videos up if you want to get them bigger. All right, I'm not going to play the video for you though, but what I'm going to claim over here, they're very short videos. All right, let me go back to the document. You scroll through it. What we do is we provide, written material, we provide video material, and visuals within the notes itself that help you learn the material as presented to our Math 119 students. In addition to that, there's also a series of problems that we do at the board. And what I mean by that is, typically a lecture, we cover material. We don't spend much time on lecturing at Essex. We spend more time on doing examples. So we do a lot of examples, and the examples that we do, let me show you where that happens. There's example questions, and I go through the example questions. And again, for those students that need a video of me going through that, you can watch those videos. There's tons of videos available in these websites in these documents over here. You'll also get a chance after I go through all that, examples in class for supplemental problem sets. Supplemental problem sets are problem sets that students work on themselves. So you would work on this on yourself and do those problems. All right. I hope this has been sufficient. But again, I also want to encourage you, do have troubles, you can always reach out to me during office hours or in classroom, and I'll be more than happy to help you and point you in the right direction. We're looking to promote your success, and that means pushing you forward. All right. Thank you for paying attention.